everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 4 of the bar challenge. Let's get started. 200 reps. Today we're doing attitude raises and attitude pulses. We're gonna be doing 50 reps each leg, each exercises, and that's it. 200 reps. Let's go. Face the bar or the chair. Now, please cross your ankles and make sure your knee is pointing to the side. This is the proper form. From here, don't lock out the other knee. Keep it soft. From here, keeping this position of the leg, we're gonna raise the leg back and lower down for 50 reps. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay, switch sides. It's the same thing. Cross your ankles, knee pointing to the side. Keep this position of the leg, the other knee soft. Let's do the attitude raises. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay, that was good. I like this exercise. Now, we're not gonna do full raises. We're gonna do pulses. Starting with a single rep of a raise, holding this position, and now we're gonna pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squeezing the glutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Last 10. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 50. And switch the other leg and we are done. Today was fast. Okay, raise, hold there, hold this position, core is tight, core is engaged, squeeze your booty, and now give me the pulses. 10, 20, 30, 40. And 50. Yay! Well done. This was day 4 of the Ballerina legs challenge, the bar challenge. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a comment because I'm giving a gift, a present for the most active one of you. Okay? Enjoy your day. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 5.